Hello, today I made a beach house. This beach house is special. The beach house can open up. This place is where you can work, and there's a see-through window, and there are 2 windows over here. As you can see, there's a bedroom and a veranda. This place is the place that you can get sound to your body. This place can move. There's also a flag nearby. Now this place is the kitchen. This spot can move. The reason is because if you open it up, and we're going to use this car for example, it's over here. But then if we want to go to the road and go down to the beach, we can move it and the car can go. If we turn it back, you can see a banana tree and the place that you can eat. Thank you for watching the beach house.